Hello everyone, I'm Shahriar Shafin and today I will show you an amazing web project that I have built with my team named Ingenuity 2.0. So let me first introduce my team members, Shohak Hussain, Sabbir Hussain and yes, of course me. So let's get started. Traffic congestion is the major problem for most of the Asian major cities. The problem of traffic congestion makes life miserable in Dhaka city, the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka is perhaps the only city of its size over 9 million population in 2000 square kilometer without a well organized bus system or other mass transport. One of the main transport in Dhaka is the bus and the people get confused to catch the right bus for them. So we have found a solution to overcome the problem. This is why we made our smart transport system where people can search buses, places, destination and more. So let's move on the main project. Okay, this is the home page of smart transport system. We have some sections like search, our core team, contact us and sign up login feature. And yes, our website is mobile responsive too, means anyone can use it in different size devices with an internet connection like mobile, tablet and laptop. Now take a look to the implementation part. For front end, we have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery and some plugins. For back end, we used Django, Python, SQLite and Google Maps Platform API. If anyone click get started button, it will jump him to the main section of the website. There are 4 buttons here which are the main 4 features. First one is find directions. If anyone don't know which bus goes to his destination and want to find direction for that, this feature is for him. Let me type any name like Abdullahpur and yes, we can also get suggestion here. Abdullahpur and for 2 we wanna enter Farmgate. Yes, Farmgate is here and hit search button. We found 6 buses, those goes Abdullahpur to Farmgate. Not only this, if we click on each bus's name here, we can see its full route and the stopping point as it says here. Okay, let me click the first one and yes, we have found the first and from the last. Yes, and also the total distance is mentioned here and this is for each one like the second one too. And yes, okay, it is our first feature. Let's go back and now Shohak Hussain will explain the other 3 features of the website. Thanks for being with me.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shohak Hussain. Now I am talking about second features of our project, which is nearby stations. If you wanna find your nearby station, you can use this one. We have a 2 option. First one, search your station manually, and second one, get the current location. Let me type Farmgate and hit the search button. So we can see a list of nearest bus station like Farmgate bus stop, Kamarbari bus stand and Karon Bazar bus stop, and also indicate the start point and end point. Go back. Now I am talking about another features of our project. You can guess the features by its name. So we can search any bus name and we will get the suggestion like BRTC and hit the search button. So we can see the start point Madanpur and ending point Shabar, and also the full routes of the bus. So Now you know where the bus goes. Go back, and now I'm talking about the last feature of our project. So if we click the all bus button, let's see what happened. So we can see the full list of bus routes in Dhaka city. Here we have bus name and start point and also ending point, and we have also search bar. Here find any bus like BRTC, you can see, and also you can search any location. The bus name Airport Bangabandhu Avenue. Look at the location Fulbaria. Now presentation will continue our another teammate Sabir Hussain. Thank you everyone.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sabir Hussain. In our project, we have a sign up or login feature, and I'm clicking the sign up login button in the navbar. If I'm a new old user, I have a account in this in the web page, but I'm in new. I'm clicking in the I'm new and fill up the form. First, my full name. I'll use the suggestions and type my username. Then type my password, confirm password, and click the sign up now. Now we can see the sign up login button remove and the logout button can appear here, and a hi message showing to the navbar. Now I'm clicking the logout button to the logout. Now I'm going to log in again using my we can log in using email or username. Now I'm type my username to log in here and type my password. Yeah, we can see the home page again using logout button. Now I'm going to log out, and in our project we have also a one feature is that forget password. If we forget our password, now click the forget password and type the email address that you used to create the account and confirm identity. Wait a little bit. Yeah, we can see message that please check your mailbox. Now we are going to check the mailbox. Yeah, we got a mail from the localhost because we are using localhost, and we got a link to reset the password. I'm clicking the link and type my new password. New password, press the reset password. Now we are linked to login using this button, also this button. I'm using this button to login. Now we are login page appear here and type my username and our new password. Login. Yeah, we can also log in from this side. This is a open source project. You can contribute in this project. I'll giving the GitHub link in the description box. This is the ongoing process. We are building this process. So thank you so much for watching the video.